Are you tired and have no time to prepare delicious meals with fresh ingredients? You are currently spending a staggering 7.4 hours weekly just on meal prepping. How much of this time could be spent on meaningful tasks if it only took a couple minutes? How many more hours could you spend with family and friends while not having to deprive yourself of fresh and nutritious meals? Imagine a platform where you could prepare the next week's meals in mere minutes and get all the needed ingredients to your house directly. Meet Groovit, a team currently partnering with Deloitte to give you just that. Through personalized recommendations and time-saving meal planning, we collaborate with retailers that always keep their customers in mind when it comes to making their lives easier. So, will you join us in making grocery shopping faster, simpler, and more enjoyable?